What's up, guys? This is my V6 2017 Charger. I'm just making this quick video because I know I was looking for things to do with my exhaust, and there wasn't a lot of videos on what to do. I'm just sharing what I did. So I just put I got Jones mufflers, his racing mufflers, fucking the 13-inch. I got it from Summit Racing, and I just put it in yesterday, and it's fucking extremely loud. I think it made a huge difference. Also, I increased the pipe size from 2 1/4 to 2.5, so I'll turn it on real quick and let you guys hear what it sounds like. I also have a cold air intake from Airaid.